Have you ever thought about turning the power of AI into a thriving side hustle in 2024? Today, we're diving deep into 9 lucrative AI automation side hustles that not only harness cutting-edge technology, but also offer practical steps for you to start earning substantial income. Whether you're looking to supplement your current earnings or embark on a new entrepreneurial journey, stay tuned as we explore how AI can revolutionize your side hustle game. Freelance AI content creation. Imagine being able to produce high-quality blog posts, draft compelling emails, and create engaging social media content with the help of AI tools like ChatGPT. To start as a freelance AI content creator, begin by familiarizing yourself with AI writing tools and their capabilities. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are excellent starting points to showcase your services. Focus on niches where you have expertise or a passion, such as tech, lifestyle, or business. As you build your portfolio and client base, you can earn anywhere from $500 to $5,000 per month, depending on the volume and complexity of projects. The key is to create samples of your work using AI tools, upload them to your profile, and actively seek out clients who need content creation services. AI-powered virtual assistants. As an AI-powered virtual assistant, you can offer a range of administrative services including scheduling appointments, managing emails, and handling customer inquiries. Start by identifying the AI tools that best suit your business needs, such as Google Assistant or Microsoft Cortana. Establish a professional online presence through platforms like LinkedIn and freelance marketplaces to attract clients. Virtual assistants typically charge $15 to $30 per hour, with the potential to earn higher rates as you gain experience and offer specialized services like social media management or project coordination. Create a website or a professional LinkedIn profile detailing the services you offer and the AI tools you use, then reach out to potential clients through networking and online job boards. Automated e-commerce stores. E-commerce entrepreneurs can leverage AI to streamline operations in dropshipping businesses. Begin by setting up an online store on platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Utilize AI tools such as Shopify's Kit to automate tasks like product research, order fulfillment, and customer service. To maximize earnings, focus on niche markets with high demand and low competition. Successful e-commerce store owners can earn $1,000 to $10,000 per month through strategic marketing, customer retention strategies, and continuous optimization based on AI-driven analytics. Conduct thorough market research to find a profitable niche, then use AI tools to source products, set competitive prices, and run targeted marketing campaigns. AI social media management. Businesses rely on social media for brand awareness and customer engagement, creating a demand for skilled social media managers. Start by mastering AI-powered scheduling tools like Buffer or Hootsuite to automate content posting and track performance metrics. Develop a content strategy that aligns with your clients' goals and target audience preferences. Social media managers typically earn $500 to $3,000 per month managing multiple client accounts, with opportunities to increase earnings through additional services such as paid advertising management and influencer collaborations. Build a portfolio of case studies demonstrating your ability to grow social media accounts and engage audiences, and use this to attract new clients. AI graphic design services. Graphic designers can leverage AI tools like Canva or Adobe Spark to create visually stunning designs quickly and efficiently. Start by honing your design skills and familiarizing yourself with AI-powered design features such as templates, filters, and typography tools. Build a portfolio showcasing your versatility across different design projects, from logos to social media graphics. Freelance graphic designers typically charge $20 to $100 per project, depending on complexity and client requirements. Establishing long-term client relationships and offering additional services like brand identity development can lead to consistent income growth. Use AI design tools to create sample projects and showcase them on platforms like Behance or Dribbble to attract clients. AI-powered market research. Businesses rely on accurate market insights to make informed decisions and stay competitive. AI tools excel in data analysis, trend forecasting, and consumer behavior analytics. To start as an AI-driven market researcher, acquire proficiency in AI tools such as IBM Watson or Google Cloud AI. Offer customized market research reports and strategic recommendations to startups and established businesses. Market researchers typically charge $50 to $200 per hour, depending on the depth and scope of research projects, with opportunities for retainer contracts and ongoing consultancy. Create a portfolio of sample market research reports and use them to demonstrate your expertise to potential clients. Voiceover and audio services using AI. The demand for professional voiceovers and audio editing continues to grow with the expansion of digital content platforms. AI tools like Replica and Descript simplify voiceover creation, audio editing, and transcription processes. Start by investing in quality recording equipment and mastering voiceover techniques. Showcase your voiceover portfolio on platforms like voices.com or through freelance marketplaces. Voiceover artists can earn $50 to $300 per project, depending on project length and client requirements. As you build a reputation for delivering high-quality audio content, consider offering additional services such as podcast production or audiobook narration to expand your earning potential. Record samples of your voiceover work and create a professional profile on voiceover platforms to attract clients. Chatbot development for businesses. Businesses across industries are adopting AI-powered chatbots to enhance customer service and streamline operations. Platforms like ManyChat and ChatFuel offer user-friendly tools for building customized chatbot solutions. To start as a chatbot developer, acquire proficiency in programming languages such as Python or JavaScript and familiarize yourself with AI chatbot frameworks. Offer tailored chatbot development services to businesses looking to automate customer interactions and improve user experience. Chatbot developers typically charge $1,000 to $5,000 per project, depending on complexity and customization requirements. Build credibility through case studies and client testimonials to attract ongoing contracts and retainers. Create a portfolio of chatbots you have developed and use it to demonstrate your capabilities to potential clients. AI-driven online tutoring. Online tutoring platforms leverage AI to deliver personalized learning experiences, creating opportunities for tutors in various subjects. Start by identifying your expertise in subjects like mathematics, languages, or test preparation courses. Sign up on tutoring platforms such as VIPKid or Chegg and complete profile verification processes. Online tutors typically earn $20 to $50 per hour, with potential for higher earnings based on teaching experience and student demand. Establishing a positive reputation through student reviews and referrals can lead to consistent bookings and long-term income growth. Create a detailed profile highlighting your qualifications and experience, and use AI tools to provide personalized tutoring sessions that cater to the needs of each student. With that said, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications for more insights into side hustles. Join our community for more ways to earn money online and financial tips to help you succeed. Until next time, keep hustling smartly.